So hey guys, in this video I will be making a creeper farm in my survival world. So I will go to my site. So the things you will need are 3 stack of cobblestone, 3 stack of cobblestone slabs, 2 water bucket, 2 stack of oak trapdoor, 2 hopper, 2 chest, 2 campfire, 6 glass and 14 carpet, woolen carpet. So I'll just collect all of them and I will show you the layout in just a second. So while editing I actually got to know that the layout which I did was not proper, so I just shown a picture here so that for reference. So 13 blocks long and 5 blocks wide, as you can see on both the sides, and then you can count on your own the mid portion, as you can see the inversion. So after doing this we have to raise it by 1 block, everything on the borders. So the 1 block logic is because creeper height is 1 block, so if 2 blocks, so if you increase it by 1 block it will become 2 in total and the creeper won't be able to escape from our killer chamber. And now I will go to sleep. And now I will go back to my site. So now I will create a staircase, and now we will increase the inside portion by 2 blocks, as you can see. So one more, okay. And now this is a 3 by 2 layout, so now we have to dig up one hole. So here we will place our trap door on the corners. So I'll just take a trapdoor, and now I'll place the trapdoor on each corner and I will close them. So creepers or in fact any mob think that trapdoor are basically 1 block, but they don't know that if you close it that doesn't become a block, it becomes a hole. So now we need to place a carpet. So after every 2 block we need to place a carpet, so 2, and I'll place it here, and then after 1 block gap again I'll place. So now at every corner we have to place in the same direction like this, as you can see. You have to measure and check, and on the other side also we have to do same. So after every 2 block, so 1 2 1 2, okay. And now we have to place carpet over here also. You can choose any color carpet, but white is you can say a signature carpet. So now I will go and take my cats, and I forgot to tell you that you will need cats also, because cats have OP power that they can scare off any creeper. So we'll take them to our base and we have to make them sit on the corner carpet. I'll just show you in a second. So I'll remove this lead, I'll make this cat sit, and I'll shift it to the corner block. So what will happen is the creeper will spawn around the cat, and it will get scared of the cat and it will fall into the pit. So now I will take my cat and I'll bring it over here. So I will have some food. Okay, so now we need to dig up 3 blocks extra down, and for me the coincidence was I didn't have to count every block, I just had to count once, because after 3 block there was a cobblestone or means a stone, so I didn't have to count. For you it might be dirt also, so you should still count for your reference. And now we have to, like, I will just check where I want the entrance of this creeper farm, so where I will collect all my loot, so that I will check first. So I'll just take back the water and I will check where I want the entrance of the creeper farm from. So I chose it near my house. So in the opposite direction I will pour the water bucket, as you can see, and I will have to dig 16 blocks straight. Now many of you might be thinking that in my last XP farm I told that the water flow is of 8 blocks, so I know that it is 16 blocks, so you can even increase the water flow if you want. So I'll even teach you this. Just a second, hold on. So now 16 blocks is covered. Now I will dig from the other direction and I will just lighten up. Okay, so now you can see after 7th block it has stopped. So now I will dig up down. So because of this a new water flow will start and then it will go up again by 7 block. And if in your case if you are playing on 1.17, like I have not tested it properly, the water flow, but in 1.17 also it has same, so you don't need to search up another tutorial for 1.17. And if you don't know that how to, if you are new on my channel and you don't know how to download Minecraft for free, I will give up in the pop-up button, so there you can check the video where you can download Minecraft for free. So now I will create a room for myself where I will collect all the loot and everything. So now I will dig up and dig down by 2 blocks. So this is because we will need to place hopper and chest, so it will at least take 2 blocks. So now we need to place 2 chests connecting to each other, which will make it large chest, and we need to connect hoppers to the chest. And now we need to place the campfire above the hopper, and you might be thinking what is the use of campfire. So as lava can burn things, campfire also will burn creeper, and it will not burn the loot which the creeper will give. So now I will place glass, and I had some limited glass, that's why I had to take a lot of time so that I can place the glass perfectly. If you have lot of glass, well and good, then you can place it easily, but I didn't have enough glass and I had to create the tutorial right away, so I took whatever I had and I'm trying to place it. So now I will place 2 slabs on the chest and I will place cobblestone. So yes, there is enough space so that you can see whether the creeper farm is working perfectly fine or not. So now I will go back to my base and sleep, otherwise the creeper will spawn right away and it will kill me, and I don't want my record to break of 1000 days survive. Okay, so now we are almost done. We just need to make the roof of the farm. So here we will need a trapdoor. I will prefer you to use oak trapdoor if you are living in savanna or in spruce ice, or if you are in desert and you have some other trees over there, like beside the desert biome, so well it is okay. But then if you have some oak wood near your biome, so it will be perfectly fine, because oak trapdoor is like the signature trapdoor, and I cannot assure you that it will work with all the trapdoors. So now after placing the trapdoor, you need to place slabs above the trapdoor. So as you can see, there are holes in the trapdoor, so you don't need sunlight to enter the farm. So I have lot of cobblestone slabs, so I'll place them one by one, and make sure that you cover everything. Don't do it quickly. So make sure that you have all the area covered, because even the slightest area could make the largest mistake. So here I'm covering everything one by one. So now we are done by covering the roof. So for extras, I have extra slabs, so I will try like to utilize all of them. So I have covered the border also. So we are done with the creeper farm, gunpowder farm. So I'll quickly cut this tree and I will build up 128 blocks. So 128 blocks you don't need to count, you just if you have 2 stack of cobblestone, and 2 stack of cobblestone means 128 blocks, 64 plus 64. So now I will build up 128 blocks above, and I will try to get AFK'd. So I will take dirt and cobblestone. So I will build up 128 blocks and I'll meet you up there. So now we are done building. I will just create a platform, so next time I can again get AFK'd here. So I'll just wait, because it is morning, I will wait till night in Minecraft. So now it is night, so I will just go down and I will sleep and then check for all the creeper gunpowder or no. Otherwise the creeper which are spawning beside it will kill me. So you can even place torches beside the creeper farm. So now I will jump onto the bed and I'll sleep. So now you can go to the creeper farm, and yes, you can just check it out whether it works or no. And now I will go here down, and okay, there are no creepers. Okay, so I got pretty well 7 stack of gunpowder in just 35 minutes. God damn. Okay, so many people, if they try out, they will get 2 stack of 3 stack. So I'll just tell them that this is the area where most of the creepers spawn. So that's why I selected this area, so you can check that where the creepers spawn in your world. So there you can create the creeper farm and it will become more effective. And if it is normal area, so you will get 2 stack of gunpowder. So I hope you loved this video. It did take me a lot of time, so please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.